Dual DCK421D220V Max Lithium-Ion 4-Tool Combo Kit Review. Dual usually does this around the holidays. Lithium. It's the way to go. The batteries do not die as fast. They last longer. And this year, I am getting my second set. The circular saw has a great and durable handle. As a cabinet builder, it is also lightweight, and has a bunch of safety features. The impact driver. This puppy has some muscle. I leave this one at home for working on the cars. But oh man, the handle gives you enough grip that the drill doesn't jerk around when it gets to that last spot. The bag. Super heavy-duty handles. They have yet to fray or tear in over a year. And I grab this bag, throw this bag, drop this bag, toss this bag, and it might be dirty, but it is still in one piece. The drill, though nothing special, all of the basic feature, quick grip bit release, and comfortable handle. It is a Dual. They have been making them great for years. The light is great for in the house, and in the bag. The best thing I like about this is the fact that the battery charger tells me when the battery is getting close to full. It has a great little meter. For more review you can visit the link in description box below.